Well, welcome to this quick Brevo web service tutorial on how to add unknown cards, brought to you by Loc-Doc Incorporated. All right, after logging in, we're going to go over to the Setup tab, to Cards, and then Unknown Cards. That will display any unknown cards that have been scanned on the system, and then it sorts them by time code. And as we see here, we have several that look exactly the same with our hex value. As we thumb through our list here, we have a lot of the same exact hex values. So what the point here is to understand that they're not additional cards, they're just two different card numbers in here. So after we select the one that we want to convert and add into the system, we just click on it. If we know the number of that card, we can add that in the field and just hit add card. If we don't, we can quickly find that out by highlighting that selection, selecting copy, and then we'll open up a new tab or a new window and go to the Brevo website and select under their support tab, we'll select the card calculator. That card calculator is going to allow us to input that data, that hexadecimal data, and by simply pasting that in and hitting calculate, it will give us that information down in the results panel. And we can see here that this card is number 97. It automatically calculated that for us. So we can go back over to our Brevo tab and input that number 97 into the field and hit add card. That then adds the card with that data into the field. Now, what is different about this type of information versus a standard card add is we do not have to have the facility code for this. So now we go back to our unknown card tab and we see now that we only have one other card listed, and we can add that in the same fashion. So if we want to find that card under the card bank, we just simply go to Setup and Cards in the card bank, and then we can thumb through the pages, or we can simply go down to the Go To Card field, type in the number 97, which is our card, and that will take us to 97. Now in this particular system we have two 97 cards. This one here has a facility code of number 2, and the facility code that we had previously calculated was a facility code of number 10, as we see here in this screenshot. So we have to notate that those are two different cards, and that will be listed separately in the database. So there's a brief tutorial on adding unknown cards in the Brevo system. If you have any questions, please call 704-554-6121.